pepper contains a compound called piperine, which may have metabolism-boosting effects. It can help enhance digestion and increase the bioavailability of nutrients from other foods. Ginger has been associated with potential benefits for weight management. It may help increase metabolism, promote feelings of fullness, and reduce appetite. Incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to meals, such as stir-fries, soups, or drinking ginger tea. Cinnamon has been suggested to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can aid in controlling appetite and managing cravings. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, cinnamon may indirectly support weight loss efforts. Ingredients: cinnamon, black pepper, ginger. Drink 1 glass before bed.